project that is leading Web4 era. We are also going to deep with this project that is going to reshaping the intelligent value internet, and we are also going to share how the AI is going to help to make an open ecosystem. So if you are new on the channel, you can subscribe it and press the bell icon, as this video is also for just educational purpose only. So we can also explore here how this is ecosystem where web for infrastructure, AI, finance and global level community. All of these factor is really making me more excited to introduce this project in front of you, because we need some advancement, and there is also cutie how this is also like a cute dragon type. And here we can also get some statistics. There are statistics about the financing $50 million and $80 million for ecosystem liquidity pool. And we can also get here some more strategic partner all over the global level recognized way. There is AnyChain, there is PancakeSwap, Visa, Paybit, Bitget, and Binance. Even when you come on the Any, you can also get the addresses. There is also balance and many other how much transfer as transaction have been done on the GMG.AI project. So this is the Web4 era. As a pioneer, we are going to explore its future. Here are representative form. There is Web1 static information display, Web2 for social interactive platform. There is AI native autonomy that will work like how AI agent autonomous economy work. We will also get the experience after coming on the platform, because this is now about the AI era where team is going to help on it. So this is Web4 where we are going to exploring the details as for near future detail. This will help like this is the secure ecosystem. We know security is the priority. That's why there is encrypted communication system with AI assistant bank and matrix. Yes, our life is going to be more advanced technology. So here you can also get how copy trading work, and global level payment is getting more faster gateway. So this is about the Web4 native and their top team sport with multi-region complaint service all over the global level. Their GMG token that is also available on the Avi AI, and there is the graph that will also show you how people are getting their journey, and it's making me that this is also about the future gem. And now the price is $2.1 for their token. And here is also the like a place where you can create your account, and then you can also place the number, and you can easily get here the token. So this is how we are coming here, and we will check out about their market cap, as there is also 24-hour volume, everything we can easily found. Yes, there is also market cap $72 million for this token GMG. You can also check out here is contract address, their community, as well as there is also like 33 days ago this happened listed, and now it's making a new history. There is also the initial price was $1, and now it's making really amazing progress. So here you can also get some more details how it will be used, why we are coming on this platform, because there is also some yield plan here. Guardian, Prosperity, there is Sovereign and Genesis. So it will give you different percentage, as there is also 3.5 trillion as the AI fintech market size by 2030. They have made like here some strategic partnership too. So if you are going to share details about their roadmap, you can check out about their progressive report in their detail one. There is technical development, there is also global expansion and many other. So in this way, you can also check further information about the global activities where individual in like big fish are coming into the ecosystem, so they can also access the Web4 ecosystem. This project is really awesome as by the AI feature, and now AI feature with Web4 arrived. So congrats, and you can also come here to join them. Now guys, you can also click on that, and then you will also come here with this interface GMG.AI terminal that is going to offering you that you can also understand here all the option like macro market analysis, how market flow, with also the crypto analysis too, that what are the move and how market is behaving today. Everything you can also check out, and there is also the market pulse that will help you to understand and finding your gem. And yes, here is also the next one is about the Suna. When we click on the Suna, that is also the GMG AI product, and here you can also check the crypto gateway, say hello to it, and you can also get the API. Even there is also web 2 connected to us, web 3, and now there is web 4 as the basic concept I have already explained in the GMG AI, and it is also going to remember us. So now you can also get one app that will connect the whole world, and now it is more fast, more secure, and it is built for Asia or all over the global level in one message, one gift. So in this way, you can also get your wallet that is strong for all the asset you are going to join. So here is also the breathing from 47 country live now with the network upline is like a 99.99%. So there is also the end-to-end encryption, it means security on the top, so that's why it's working. And there are also what is going on in this ecosystem have been already given, like wallet on mainnet air protocol, there is Asia fully on. So you can also download it now from Google Play Store, App Store, as well as APK version. And further, you can also come here with Quillian. There is also about the Killing Black Card. When you are also going to click that, there is also the Killing Black Card. You can now check out one chain wealth, and you can also spend any time when you are going to flight booking for the tourist for the tour. You can also get all the option here, like Killing Black Card is also going to help you how redefining. There is also visa wherever you want to travel ready in minute. Now you can also start your journey, and this is the web for that making able. And there is also GMG stacking option too, so now you can also join them their official token GMG and hold these options too. And further, you can also come here, there is also the one call. When we click on the one call, there is $1, one call, 1 volt. So that's why make your first call now, launch the app, and hear how it works. When you are going to check out, it's mean $1 payout. It will also go for withdraw it all. It's mean there is also the pattern, get $1 per account. There is also the load ammo. Loading ammo, it means that $100 in the air trial will be credit land instantly, and then you have to run it for 10x, and it will hit $1,000 that you can easily take the withdrawal. So this is also the working, like you are going to fund your wallet with $1, make a call, settle on the chain, and all these things are going to be done on the sport purpose on crypto and different culture, but everything is working transparently and security purpose based. So in this way, you can also go and help them. Here is also everything for your bright future. Now you can also follow them on the social media links too, like here is also Twitter that you're going to follow to get all the latest updates about GMG, about their product, that is also lovely. And here is also FIFA World Cup going on, where you can also join them GMG AI product with their terminal black killing card, and many other is really good option for you, and you can discuss with their other team members too that are also available. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next week. Till then, take care and goodbye.